Ninth class student, exercise 16.3, mensuration. 29 question number, second part. Second part is that is figure Q, O, A and P, C and B. OAB side of square OA is equal to 20 semi. Area of square is equal to side square is equal to 409 centimeter square. We find the area of shaded part. Now find the area of quadrant. At first find the radius. Radius of quadrant is equal to diagonal of square. Diagonal of square is equal to side under root 2 semi. R is equal to 20 under root 2 semi. Area of quadrant is equal to 1/4 pi r square. 1/4 pi value is 3.14. R value is 20 under root 2 square. 1/4 into 3.14 into 20 under root 2 into 20 under root 2. After multiply 1/4 into 3.14 into 20 400 into 2. 2 divided by 4, 2 divided by 400. After multiply 6 to 8 semi square. Area of shaded part is equal to 6 to 8 minus area of square 400. 2 to 8 semi square is shaded part area. In given figure, question number 29 second part is complete. Question number 30. Question number 30 is a rectangle 2 semicircle and cut the semicircle. Find the area of shaded part. At first, find the area of question number 30 is A part. A part is AB, CD is a rectangle which side length is 14 and breadth is equal to BC is equal to 7 semi. Measure of rectangle. L is equal to 14 semi, B is equal to 7 semi. Area of rectangle L into B, 14 into 7 is equal to 98 semi square. That is area of rectangular part. Diameter of semicircle is equal to breadth of rectangle. Diameter is equal to 7 semi, then R is equal to radius is equal to 7 upon 2 semi. Area of both semicircle 2 into 1 upon 2 pi r square, 2 into 1 by 2, pi value is 22 upon 7, r value is 7 upon 2. 2 divided by 2, 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. 2 divided by 11, 7, 1 ja 7, 77 upon 2, 38.5 semi square. That is both semicircle part without shaded diameter of without shaded part is equal to length of rectangle. Diameter is equal to 14 semi, then R is equal to 14 upon 2 is equal to 7 semi. Area of semicircle without shaded. Pi r square 1/2 22 upon 7 into 7 square 1/2 22 upon 7 7 into 7 7 divided by 7 2 divided by 11 11 7 ja 77 centimeter square is without shaded part. Area of shaded part is equal to 98 plus 38.5 minus 77. After minus 60.5 semi square is shaded part. Area of the shaded part 30. Question is B part. B part is a circle. Unshaded part a triangle and a quadrant. 1/4 part of the circle, that is figure, could be a figure. BC is diameter. BC diameter and ABC a triangle without shaded, and quadrant we find the area of triangle and 1/4 part are not shaded. At question AB is equal to 7 in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 7 semi, AC is equal to 24 semi. That is given in question. Angle A is equal to 90 degree, lies in semicircle. A is 90, then AB hypotenuse, AB perpendicular and AC is base. Pythagoras formula is BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. AB value is 7, AC value 24, after square 49, 576, after plus 625, BC is equal to under root 625 is equal to 25 semi. BC diameter of circle BC is equal to 25 centimeter. Area of circle, then R is equal to 25 upon 2 semi. Area of circle is pi r square, pi value 3.14 into 25 upon 2 square is equal to 3.14 into 625 upon 4. After 3.14 divided by 2, 1.57 divide by note value by pi. Pi is pi and 25 upon 2 square 60, 625 upon 4. Pi square is semi square is area of circle. Area of quadrant is equal to 1 upon 4 area of circle. 1 upon 4 into 625 pi upon 4. After multiply 6 to 5 upon 16 pi, semi square is unshaded part. Unshaded part area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to ABC. 1 by 2 AB into base into height. 1 by 2 AB is equal to 7, AC is equal to 24, divide by 2, 12, 84 semi square area of the area of shaded part is equal to 625 upon 4 pi minus 625 upon 16 pi minus 84. After LCM 16 minus 84 is 625 pi is common, 4 4 जा 4 minus 1 upon 16, 3 upon 16 into 6 to 5 pi minus 84. 3 into 6 to 5 into 3.14 upon 16 minus 84. After multiply, divide by 16 by 2 by 8, 1.57. You take the after multiply minus, give the answer. Question number 31. 31 is 31 question is A part. A part is given the figure ABCDJ square ABCDJ square four circle are side of square 14 semi. Area of square is equal to 14 square. Mean side square is 196. Semi square is area of square. Dotted part is shaded part. That is shaded part. One circle is 3 upon 4 part is shaded. 1 upon 4 part is unshaded. 3 upon 4 part is shaded of a one circle. Each circle diameter of circle is equal to 14 cm. R is equal to 14 upon 2 semi is equal to 7 semi. Area of unshaded part. Area of area of 4 quadrant unshaded part is equal to 4 into 1 upon 4 pi r square. 4 by 4 pi 22 upon 7 r is equal to 7. 22 upon 7 into 49 7 square 7 7 ja 49 154 semi square is unshaded part. Area of shaded part all circle. 4 into 3 upon 4 pi r square. 4 by 4 3 into pi value 22 upon 7 into 7 square. 3 into 22 upon 7 7 into 7 7 divided by 7 22 3 ja 21 22 21 1 ja 22 24 44 or 2 46. Semi square is area of shaded part all circle. Area of shaded part is equal to 196 minus 154. That area not be unshaded plus 462 2 4 plus 462 after plus 4 5 semi square. 31 question is first part is complete, second part is thank you.